Who wants to add $84 million a year every year to the local economy? Yeah.
Local real estate agent Tiffany Bailey Romay joined a crowd of 500 at Kalahari Resorts and Conventions to rally for rail. At the public information session and celebration hosted by the Pocono Mountains Visitors Bureau and key partners, Tiffany learned about major developments in restoring passenger rail service between Scranton, the Poconos, and New York City.
I have been here since '97, waiting for the train. Of course, moving up here, everyone said the train is coming, the train is coming. And then it was a dead stop. However, today actually in the last year, I saw the progression, I saw the movement, I saw the money.
This project is one of 69 across the country recently accepted into the Federal Railroad Administration's Corridor ID program, which granted each recipient an initial $500,000 for development and research. Larry Malski, who has worked behind the scenes for decades on the Scranton to Port Authority project, says the route is already further along the tracks than many others.
We feel we've got the steps put together. We've been spending money on engineering and environmental and all these other things that have to go into it. So we believe we've got a head start on most of those other 69 successful applicants because we've done our homework.
You're the conductor of the Phoebe Snow on its last run. How do you feel today?
Well, it's one of those things in your life you hate to see go.
Passenger rail service has not connected Scranton, the Poconos, and New York City since 1970. Larry was 18 at the time and rode the very last train with a friend. He recalls it was a somber day for everyone on board.
They knew it was the end of an era. And, a lot of people just figured after that it'll never come back. But perseverance is the most important quality as far as I'm concerned, and that's what it took to bring it back, and we're going to bring it back.
According to an Amtrak study, the train could make 3 round trips every day at just under 3 hours each way, accommodating 500,000 riders per year. Trains would have Wi-Fi and full dining and beverage options. Imagine a relaxing ride on your way to visiting family or an extension of your office on the way to work, as Congressman Matt Cartwright recently explained during a press conference outside his office.
This proposed route also connects us to a wider selection of healthcare services, sporting events, cultural activities, and vacation spots. It's about jobs.
There would be several stops in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, including in Mount Pocono and East Stroudsburg. The mayor of East Stroudsburg looks forward to seeing small businesses flourish.
We are excited. We are ready. I cannot wait to be able to walk down to our great downtown, jump on the train, and head into the city or northern Jersey. And even the reverse, to get those Jersey dollars and that New York dollars spending in our area.
This will be a boon for tourism in northeastern Pennsylvania, and I'm just so happy to be a citizen of northeastern Pennsylvania and seeing us getting this type of investment, which is significant.
Advocates of the long-planned restoration say this is the first time the project has garnered this level of bipartisan local, state, and federal support, including from President Biden, a Scranton native himself.
He had a real focus on this because he understands our region. He understands the potential of it. He understands how a train from here to New York could benefit this region.
Back at the rally, Tiffany says she commuted between the Poconos and New York City for years and knows many others who still do. The idea of a new transportation option making her Pocono proud.
The wear and tear on your car, gas going up, the carbon footprint, and I always tell people even when they're moving here, that's the worst part. If you can get through that, you're good. Now they don't even have to get through that.
Most of the rail lines between Scranton and New York City were preserved and remain in place, but there's still much work to be done before getting the train back on track by the projected 2028. Stay up to date as the project progresses on PoconoMountains.com/rail. With the Pocono Television Network, I'm Brianna Strunk.